So the Doogee S118 is one of the few rugged phones that I wasn't able to talk about. It is one of the best feature-packed rugged phones of 2024, and it is also very affordable currently. It's sold for just $180, guys. Anyway, the S118 is a formidable smartphone designed to withstand the toughest environments while delivering impressive performance. The device has IP68 and IP69K ratings. It is also military grade standard A10H certified, which means that the S118 is engineered to survive drops, dust, water, and extreme temperatures. Its massive 10,800 mAh battery, coupled with 33 watts fast charging, ensures that you stay powered up all day long. The phone also features an impressive 6.58-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz IPS display, which offers vibrant colors and smooth visuals, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and multimedia consumption. Under the hood, the Helio G99 processor, paired with a generous 8GB of RAM, delivers snappy performance for multitasking and demanding apps. And of course, the phone supports virtual RAM expansion of up to 20GB. At the back of the phone is a triple rear camera setup led by a 50MP primary sensor, followed by a 12MP night vision camera and an 8MP wide-angle and macro lens. And its front-facing camera is 32MP. Now, with 512GB of internal storage and expandable options up to 2TB, you have plenty of space for your photos, videos, and apps. The S118 also supports essential connectivity features like 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and GPS, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. So these are just some of the top features of the Doogee S118. Like I mentioned earlier, it's currently available for just $180. There'll be a link in the video description for that. So personally, I believe the S118 is a rugged smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance or features. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals who work in demanding conditions, and anyone who needs a reliable and durable device. But what are your thoughts, guys? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.